Hi, I'm Jeff Hirsch. I'm here at the Money Show with Greg McCoach, and he is the editor of the Mining Speculator, which you can find at discoverynexus.com, correct? And why should people invest? I mean, he's obviously a mining guy, but why now? Why should people invest in the mining industry now?
That's the title of my talk here at the Money Show, and I just want to explain to people that the mining sector has been out of favor for 6 years. We had a little reprieve in 2016, but it didn't last. What's happened is things are changing. Money is flowing into the sector, but it's not money in the overall sector. It's going specifically into exploration stocks because the majors are desperate to replenish their reserves.
They're running out.
They're running out. And the people that are the talented geological people that understand these geological puzzles to make the discovery all work for the juniors, right? So a major is loaded with cash, ready to buy if someone can make a discovery. So the money's going in, the drills are turning, and I call it, when these type of periods happen, this is when we make big money in the mining.
What does this compare to in the past, like a different time period? Back in the Mary Pessim days, like?
Oh no, I mean we've seen this, from 2001 to 2007.
What about prior to this, like the one in the early 90s?
Yeah, early 90s. That was another.
So this
one.
is the cycle is bottomed out and it's starting to turn up again.
Right. Bull markets follow bear markets. We've been in a bear market. The money's flowing. The guys that follow this know that this is the sign that this is probably coming. The bull's coming again.
So what other indicators or data points or things have you seen out there recently that tells you that this is where that cycle is turning now?
Well, yeah, I mean, technically what's happened, technologically, we have new tools that we didn't have in the field before. We have like what we call airborne survey. Mm-hmm. It's like, for layman's terms, it's like a ground penetrating radar.
Right.
Well, the old guys always had to depend on surface expression.
Sampling and
things that came to surface that showed you, hey, maybe we should look here.
I mean, I am seeing a lot of mining stocks here at the show.
Yeah,
a little more than normal, right?
So
right.
Something's happened. Something's changing right
and
now.
You have a reveal tonight, correct? That you're talking.
Yes, I was just out in the field here in Nevada, outside Winnemucca. In my 35 years of trading these things personally, 19 years as a newsletter writer, the Mining Speculator, I've come across a situation that's probably in the top 3 in my whole career. This is one of these big situations, has big scale. If they're successful, if their theories prove correct, this could be a big winner.
And this is tonight at 6 o'clock.
Tonight at 6 o'clock.
You're going to reveal that. Tell me about the stock you found.
Yep.
Great. Thanks, Greg. Thanks, everyone, for joining us.